Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, right behind me we have the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, and yes, it is its season, and it will be featured in a lot of upcoming videos. All right, family, if you read the title, I have found the cheat code to the meat code. All right, family, y'all stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. I'll be right back. All right, family. All right, family, some time ago I did a video, it's probably been 2 years now. I did a video similar to this where I use smoked meat in order to cheat. Lady Red has to go to work in about 45 minutes to an hour. I just came back from my local market basket where they have a smoked meat department. Normally smoked meat is used to flavor other things like collard greens, cabbage, whatever. I've done my research, but I really couldn't find it because I always thought, and it still may be the case, where this is chicken that was going to expire in a day or two. They took that chicken, they smoked it in order to prolong its lifespan and to sell it to people like myself. I'm not sure. My research doesn't nail that down or pinpoint. But what it does nail down and pinpoint is that smoked meat, since this meat has been dried and smoked, it is pretty much protected from anything that could, like salmonella or whatever, that could take place or any type of bacteria after the planned expiration date. If this was supposed to be sold 3 days ago, this will prolong its life for a week or two. So I have no problem with buying smoked meat. And that is upside down, but I don't think y'all can see it anyway. But so today, we're going to take this smoked meat, since Lady Red only has about an hour before she has to leave for work, and we're going to put this in the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, 500 degrees or so, 450 degrees, and let it do its thing. So family, while we're talking, we're going to go ahead and load this thing up. Now, if you're new to the channel or you've been around for a while, if you saw the video that actually dropped this morning, me and Big Lou did videos in conjunction introducing you to November and the Big Easy Turkey Fry. You will know I told you about my modification. This is where one of my modifications come into play. I'm going to put all the chicken thighs up top. Now I could actually use my my thigh holder where it is, but since I don't have it at my disposal right now, we're going to go ahead and go old school with this. So on the bottom, say that these were to cook faster, I could pull the turkey fry out, pull these out, and continue to cook the thighs up top. Although I don't think that's going to be the case in this particular instance. All right, and let's go ahead and drop this in. Oh, pro tip. My stuff is old, corroded, and I haven't thoroughly cleaned it yet. So what I did was I coated it with aluminum foil. I know a lot of people don't like aluminum foil, but I worked in the aircraft industry my entire adult life. If I've been contaminated with aluminum, it's already too late. But so if you have just bought your turkey fry and you're testing it out before the big day and you want it to continue to look pristine, take some aluminum foil, put over your new basket, cut some slits in it so you still can get that heat to penetrate it. You can even wrap it around the side. And on the big day, your basket will still look almost brand new. That's a pro tip from me to you. All right, family, we're gonna go ahead and drop these in. The biggies are already on, hot, and ready to go. Now, I have this turkey breast that I also bought that's smoked. $3.14 for this big boy. Boom. We're gonna take our 14-inch or so grilled grate. We're gonna put on top. Remember, layers. I talked about that in my last video. I create layers so I can cook multiple things on my Big Easy Turkey Fry. This is not a one-trick pony. Look at that thing. Get an up close and personal look. Booyah! We're gonna put that right there. Dome on top. Yeah, so we're putting the dome on early. We're gonna trap that heat in, and that's gonna speed up the cooking process and speed up the crisping process. All right, family. I am leaving out on a road trip tomorrow morning. You'll see that video as well coming up soon, maybe in the next 2 days or so. So I'm going to start prepping for my trip to Georgia. Y'all tune in to the Rosie and Red, the Adventures of Rosie and Red playlist, and you'll see that video. So all right, family, we're gonna go ahead and get ready. We'll be back in about, I don't have to do anything. Flip these, turn them, do anything. I'll be back in about 30 to 35 minutes, and these things should be ready to go. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We cracked the code. All right, YouTube family, we are back, and it's been exactly 30 minutes, and whoa, look at there, look at there. That actually was about 5 minutes too long. Check that out, fam. Now the meat on the inside is gonna be delicious. It's gonna be a little extra crispy on the outside. Ooh, yeah. Put that right here. That wire is not touching. All right, fam, let's see what the rest looks like. Ooh, yeah. You know what? We could have taken that and set that. I don't want to sit that on, hold up, it would go right here. Perfect. This is my favorite piece of chicken. It's meaty. I like the thighs, the long thighs that we call them. Those short thighs are fat and juicy and meaty. Check that out, fam. Oh my goodness. Put that right there. Let's go ahead and cut the Big Easy off so I don't forget. Run out of propane. Booyah. All right, fam. Like I said, it's gonna be a real quick, down and dirty video. I just wanted to show y'all that quick, cheat code. And this is a good way. If you're new to the Big Easy game, and this is gonna be your first year getting the Big Easy, this is a nice way to kind of just get familiar with it. Go to your local supermarket, smokehouse, whatever they call it. Get you some smoked meat that's already partially cooked. I would say this is probably 60, 70% already cooked. Matter of fact, when I was doing my research, get out of there. It actually said that this meat is already pretty much edible when it comes straight from the market. All you have to do is warm it up. I should have sprayed that with some Pam perhaps. I have Pam right there, and I sprayed that chicken breast to keep it moist, because believe it or not, when you put it on that top rack, it actually looks like it gets more heat, and it actually cooks faster on that top rack. Now family, what we've essentially done was we created the smoker, roaster, griller. We have a grill rack on top, we have the basket underneath, and we have the dome. That is about $130 worth of stuff versus $250 or whatever that smoker. I'm not against that thing. I like it. It's pretty. It's robust. People like it. But if you want to get in the game, get the same results that you get from that smoker, roaster, griller, I created it for you right here, family. And that pro tip, aluminum foil on top, and that keeps your basket looking pristine. Modification, you have access to it. You don't have to remove your bunk bed. You can go right in there, get your meat out, your corn out, your potato. Family, we have cracked the code, the meat code. All right, family, y'all take care. I hope y'all enjoyed this short video, and I will surely catch you in the next one. Y'all have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.